I am super excited about this video today, you guys. I am going to show you how I'm going to make a container for tulips, but putting a little bit of attention on more details around the container. I am so excited also to show you what my friend Karolina is going to do for her own container. And if you're not following Karolina on Instagram, you are missing out. She has this most beautiful, amazing garden, and her containers are just a show that you cannot miss. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below and make sure to follow her. I am going to be using this metal container that I found at Home Goods. It's a local store, and also two types of moss. This is fake moss. It will hold well outside, and let me show you how I'm going to put that together. I have the actual container here with some potting mix. That's where the actual tulips are going to go. And this container is actually going to go in here. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. So now that I have my container with the soil in it, just carefully going to put it in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the tulips that I have growing somewhere else. I'm going to put them in this container, and then let me show you how I'm going to finish it up. And there you have it. I think that it came out pretty good. And now let me show you what Karolina has put together for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy it.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Länsmansgården, and to me, Karolina. And thank you so much, Roxana, for having me on your YouTube channel and in your program. That's so nice of you. Thank you. Now I'm going to show how I do a tulip container. And as you see around me, I have a lot of containers, and I always use only one variety in each pot. So today I have chosen a tulip here, and this is called W. And as you see, the same color as my jacket. Nice. And I will use a metal pot with very nice patina. And as you see, I have drainage holes in the bottom. You always have to have drainage holes. That's very important, and one of the most common questions I got here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you don't have the roots will drown in water, because the pot will fill with water from below. So drainage holes important. Okay, I have prepared another container with soil, and this is fertilized soil because I have soil in my whole container, and that is because I used the soil during the whole spring and the whole summer. And after the summer is when the summer is over, I change soil in the pots for the autumn and winter containers. But today we're going to use this fresh soil, and I have 6 pots of tulips, and I have bought them in the local store, and I will plant them here in the container, and then after that I will use this branches in the pot. You'll see. This is a quite easy way of doing a tulip container, and this is my way of doing it. I will just put the tulips into the soil, just like this. We have had quite cold nights here with frost, and the tulips can stand a bit of frost when they are in buds like these. So they will bloom when the weather is better. It will take some more time until they are blooming, but maybe just some weeks. Okay. This is a very easy way of doing a container. I use branches, and I put them into the soil like this. And we will have a very springy look. I don't know if springy is a word, but it sounds okay. Not so easy when you're not an English speaking person. Well, I'm doing my best. Okay, so we just put the branches here. I think you see what this will look like. And of course you can take this is branches of birch, but you can have other branches as well. You can take what you have. Okay. So this is it. This is my container, my spring container with the tulips. And now I will put it out into the garden, into one of my container gardens. And thank you so much, Roxana, for having me here. And bye bye!